Hello friends, welcome to my Japanese language class. In last class we learned koko, soko, asoko, kochira, sochira, achira, doko, dochira and ikura. In today's lesson we are going to learn dai yonka or lesson 4. In this lesson we are going to learn time. G for hour and pum and fun for minute. G for hour, pum and fun for minute. Say ichiji, niji, sanji, yoji. This letter called yon or si. When we use in hour, we call yoji. Okay, not yonji. Next, goji, rokuji, shichiji, hachiji, kuji, juji, juichiji, juniji. For question, nanji. Okay? Say once again. Ichiji, niji, sanji, yoji, goji, rokuji, shichiji, hachiji, kuji, juji, juichiji, juniji, and for question nanji. Say ippum, nifun, sanpum, yonpum, gofun, roppum, nanafun or sichifun, happum, kyufun, juppum or jippum, jugofun, sanjuppum or han. For question, nanpum. Okay? In minute, we use two words, pum for ichi, san, yon, roku, hachi, ju, we use pum. For ni, go, nana, kyu, we use fun. Okay? Say once again. Ippum, nifun, sanpum, yonpum, gofun, ruppum, sichifun or nanafun, happum, kyufun, juppum or jippum, jugofun, sanjuppum or han. For question, nanpum. Okay? If you have Minano Nihongo book, it is given in the end of the translation and vocabulary book. If you don't have, please download the materials from Sign Language website. Now learn yobi means days. Okay? Read. Getsu yobi, ka yobi, sui yobi, moku yobi, kin yobi, do yobi, nichi yobi. For question, nan yobi. Getsu yobi Monday, ka yobi Tuesday, sui yobi Wednesday, moku yobi Thursday, kin yobi Friday, do yobi Saturday, nichi yobi Sunday. Okay? Say once again. Getsu yobi, ka yobi, sui yobi, moku yobi, kin yobi, do yobi, nichi yobi. Okay? In lesson 1, 2 and 3, we learn noun sentence, positive sentence, negative sentence and questionary sentence. In this lesson, we are going to learn mass. My dear friends, in Japanese grammar, the tense divided in two parts. One is past form, another is non-past form. Past form is past form we use normally, but the non-past form can be used in present form and also in future. Okay, so let's see. Non-past positive, non-past negative, past positive and past negative. Okay, my dear friend, if you start to learn Japanese language from mass form, it will be very easy to learn other forms of the language like te form, ta form, jisoke form. Okay, we learn later on. Let's see. Nemas, nemasen, nemasita, nemasen desita. Okimas, okimasen, okimasita, okimasen desita. Hatarakimasu, hatarakimasen, hatarakimasita, hatarakimasen desita. Benkyou shimasu, benkyou shimasen, benkyou shimasita, benkyou shimasen desita. If ending is mas, it is non-past positive. Ending is masen, non-past negative. Ending is masita, past positive. If ending is masen desita, then past negative. Okay? Hope you understand this. Like this also you can change ikimasu, ikimasen, ikimasita, ikimasen desita. Yasumimasu, yasumimasen, yasumimasita, yasumimasen desita. Kimasu, kimasen, kimasita, kimasen desita. Okay? Today's class is this much. Hope you understand it. In next class we are going to learn grammar portion of lesson 4. If you have any doubt or any question, please comment in my video. I will get back to you soon. Thank you for watching my class. Sayonara.